Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we are checking out the all-new 2024 GMC Acadia Denali. Guys, I'm super excited about this video, but before we get started, I know a lot of you are in the market for a new, used, or even a new GMC Acadia Denali. If you guys want the best price on any vehicle, click the link in the description to get a free quote sent to you today with the best pricing. But without further ado, let's check out this super awesome three-row SUV. So guys, here she is, the all-new 2024 GMC Acadia Denali. Starting off underneath the hood, we're going to have a 2.5-liter turbo four-cylinder motor that produces 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque. Now, as you can see up front, we have the classic big chrome GMC Denali grille with these super cool LED accented headlights with turn signals built in. Right below that, we have our fog lights and these holes in the bumper for our front parking sensors. Also, you'll notice there's a front camera that is going to be linked to your 360 camera system. Side profile on this vehicle is amazing. This is a pretty big three-row SUV. It's a lot bigger than the previous generation Acadia. We'll be taking a look at the inside as well to get an idea of the space. But on this one, we have these big 22-inch wheels. These wheels are wrapped in Continental tires. These are 275/45 22s. I love how this chrome around the wheels, chrome badging, and the chrome around the windows really accents this black paint. Now, moving to the doors, you'll notice even more chrome around the door handles. You also do have keyless entry, so you can lock or unlock the vehicle with the key in your pocket. Let's go ahead and take a look up top. We have roof rails up here, so you can have luggage up there, and you'll also notice we have a panoramic moonroof as well. Now, moving to the rear of this vehicle, we have an all-new redesigned rear end as well. Quad exhaust tips for that 2.5-liter turbo four-cylinder. You also do have a tow hitch on this vehicle. Now, you have these really cool tail lights as well. As you can see, they're LED accented, Denali badging back here with the Acadia and GMC logo. Now, to open up this tailgate, you can either use the key or you have a button underneath right by your rear view camera. Let's go ahead and take a look at the key as well while we're on that topic. You can lock, unlock, remote start, open up the tailgate, or use the panic button. Now, if you want to start it up, you just 1, 2, hold it down and it'll start up the vehicle just like that. If you want to open up the tailgate, just tap this button twice and it'll open right up for you. Now, taking a look back here, we have really good storage space behind the third row. You also do have additional storage underneath as well. You can definitely fit plenty of cargo in this third row area. Now, speaking of cargo space, we can also lower down the third row and the second row as well. The way you do that is with these switches back here. These bottom ones control the third row, so they'll go down just like that. You can also raise them back up on the top side. And you can also lower down the second row as well. So if we lower down the third row, we have these one-touch buttons right above it that lowers down the second row. So these buttons will just lay them down flat. And you have all of this storage room back here. Let's go ahead and raise up the third row and we'll take a look at the seating space that we have in that third row. To close the tailgate, you can either use the key or you can push this button right here and it'll close right up for you. Now, moving to our fuel fill up, we have a capless gas fill system on this vehicle. This vehicle will take 87 octane or above. Let's go ahead and hop to the third row. If you want to get back there super easily, you can press this button right here and it'll raise up that seat just like that. Let's go ahead and hop back here and raise up this second row. So, sitting here in the third row, let's go ahead and move the seat all the way back and raise it up normally. So, I'm 6 foot tall on a good day with shoes on. This is the leg room that I have in the third row. The third row has premium leather seating with this nice white stitching and quilted pattern. Super comfortable seating area. Not the best leg room, but it should be fine for kids. USB-C storage and a cup holder as well. Now, if I want to get out of here easily from the third row, I can just push this button and the seat will raise up just like that so I can get out. Let me go ahead and raise up this side as well. As you can see, that's about how much legroom you're going to have back here. So what we'll do is we'll hop up to the second row and take a look at the seating space. These second row seats are manually adjustable. You can move them forwards or backwards with that latch, and you can also recline or decline the seat, or just lower it down flat like that. Now, like I said before, you can use this button and it'll push it up just like that so you can get into the third row easily. But taking a seat back here, really good leg room, really good headroom. We have this panoramic moonroof above us. We have our own dedicated AC vents, handles to hold on for our life, and cup holders back here. We have our own AC adjustments. We do have heated seats in the second row, 2 USB-Cs, and a 3-prong outlet. There's storage right below that, and storage behind the driver and passenger seat. These second row captain's chairs are super comfortable, and the leather on them feels very nice to the touch. There's also armrests, and we have this white stitching with white piping all the way around. Now in the doors, we're going to have wood grain, chrome, that quilted pattern once again, storage up top. We have window controls, door levers, and Bose Performance Series audio all the way around this vehicle. Now let's get to the part that everyone's been waiting for, where all the magic happens. Let's hop inside the driver's seat of this vehicle. We'll take a look at the door real quick. Same accents up here. We have wood all the way around, memory seats with an exit setting, Bose Performance Series audio. We have all of our mirror controls in one place, and these mirrors will fold in just like that if you're in tight spaces. Now inside the mirror, you can see a little car right there. That car right there will light up orange if there's something in your blind spot. All of our window controls in one place, white stitching galore, and we can also open up the tailgate with this button right here as well. We have a power adjustable driver and passenger seat area, premium leather with even more white stitching. Let's go ahead and take a seat inside. So as soon as we hop in, we're greeted by our 11-inch display. As you can see, it says GMC on it. So to start all the way up, we just put our foot on the brake and hit the start button. First things first, let's start off with the steering wheel. As you can see, we have Super Cruise in this vehicle. So with any compatible highway, this vehicle will completely drive itself and automatically change lanes. The way it does that is this camera right here makes sure that you're still attentive, and it's a really great system to use. White stitching around the steering wheel. We have paddles behind it as well, so we can downshift or upshift. All of our cruise control buttons are on the left side, and we do have an L mode as well. If you want to shift, you have your shifter on the right side of the steering wheel. You can push for park, pull forward for neutral, pull forward and down for drive, and pull forward and up for reverse. When we're in reverse, we can see our 360 camera system. So this is a 15-inch diagonal display, and you can see in front of you, behind you, you have a zoomed in front, zoomed in back. You can see your front wheels, back wheels, and you can also see your tow hitch. So 9 different views inside the 15-inch diagonal display. To put it back in park, we just push this P, and we are all good to go. This button right here is to activate Super Cruise. What you do is you activate your adaptive cruise, and then you can push this button to activate Super Cruise. On the right side of the steering wheel, we have hands-free voice commands, music, call answering and dropping, heated steering wheel, and we can go up, down, and hit enter. Now, this display in the middle is completely customizable, so you can push this button right here to change it. So we can have our Google Maps displayed, and we have a few different views inside this display. Now, to the left of the steering wheel, we have an electronic parking brake. We have different drive modes in this vehicle. So the way you see that is you can see right now I'm in snow mode, road mode, normal mode, and tow mode. So a few different drive modes in this vehicle. As you can see right there, automatic stop start, and we can turn up or down the brightness on our 11-inch display. We also have our windshield washer controls on the left side. And moving down, this is how you open up the hood. We have a power adjustable steering wheel, so you can move it forwards, backwards, up, and down. Now, moving on to this big display right here. Let's go ahead and take a deep dive inside of here. So, tons of different apps inside of here. We have our vehicle status, which will show our tire pressure, oil life, tire pressure, all that good stuff. I know I said it twice, but it has 4 different tire pressures on this display. maybe 5. There's a ton inside of here. Brake pad life, all the things you need to know to keep up to date on the maintenance on your vehicle. There's also a maintenance tab. You can go back and go to your gauges, go back once again, and you can go to your trip odometers. Now we have Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 360 camera system, Amazon Alexa, trailering, settings, ambient lighting on this vehicle that is fully customizable, Auto Park Assist, climate, Wi-Fi hotspot, audio, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth, and built-in Google Maps. So in the Google Maps, it's the same thing that you use on your cell phone. So you can go to the gas station real quick, see what's around you, if you're on the road and low on gas, and it'll take you right to your route. Now you can have Google Maps displayed right here and in your 11-inch display, which is pretty cool. We also have our Wi-Fi hotspot, our phone, and we can scroll down. We have different controls in this vehicle. So you can control your heads-up display, adjust the brightness, height, and rotation of it, or cut it off completely. Dome lights, power window lockout, camera, traction control, auto high beams, auto park assist, front fog lights, and park assist. There's some more controls, as you can see right there. You can also have this view right here where you can have your audio, Google Assistant, and your navigation all in one place. Now, you also have the My GMC app, Google Podcast, and Google News. Towards the bottom here, you're going to have your controls. This is how you control your headlights, so you can have them on off, auto, on, or you can cut on your fog lights. Lane keep assist, you can cut on or off. This dial right here is to turn your volume up and down. Right below that, we have even more controls. So these are controlled right here. These are all of your AC controls. You can also see we do have cooled and heated seats on the driver and passenger side. That is controlled in this 15-inch touchscreen. You can control your fan speed. You can adjust the temperature. So it does have dual zone climate. So the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. Also, glove box with plenty of storage space. Speaking of storage, we can open this up to reveal a wireless charging pad, USB-C and USB. 2 cup holders right here in the middle, and we have our center console with this removable storage tray. Beautiful trim on the dash. We have wood with a Denali badging, AC vent on the passenger side, 2 right here in the middle, and 1 for the driver. Here's the heads-up display in this vehicle. It is super crisp and simple to see. Rear view camera mirror that you can cut on or off. It does have a few different adjustments, so you can turn up or down the brightness, zoom out or in, and move it down or up. Right above there, we have all of our OnStar buttons, we have our hazards, and we do have our moonroof controls. So we can open up this big shade right here to reveal the moonroof that has a sunroof that will open up and close. You can also tilt this sunroof with the tilt adjustment. So if you want to open up this sunroof portion, you can just push this button right here and it'll open it all the way up for you. To close it, you can just push the button on the reverse side. So we'll go ahead and pull down on that. And like I said, you can also tilt it with that button right there. There's also a sunglasses holder, and we'll go ahead and close our moonroof. So, makeup mirror for the driver and passenger side. But that is pretty much it for the inside of the 2024 GMC Acadia Denali. Let's go ahead and take one last look at the outside of the vehicle, and I will show you guys the price tag on this. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe down below for more car content. But this is an absolutely gorgeous 3-row SUV. I don't know why you would go up to the Yukon, honestly. The Yukon Denali is about 30 grand more for the same features. It is a little bit smaller in the 3rd row, but that is livable just depending on how many kids you have and who you're going to be hauling around. But let's go ahead and head over to the passenger side and take a look at the window sticker on this vehicle. So, like I said before, this is the 2024 Acadia Denali front-wheel drive. Ebony Twilight Metallic with the leather after dark interior, 2.5 liter turbo with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Base price of this vehicle is $54,300. This one has the Super Cruise package, has a Denali Reserve package, Ebony Twilight Metallic, and it doesn't have the heated wipers, so you get $100 back. So with the destination charge, comes out to $62,710. With the 2.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder, you're going to get 20 miles per gallon city and 27 highway with 23 miles per gallon combined. Here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and check it out. But guys, that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, like I said before, leave a like, subscribe down below for more car content. My name is Joshua McDonald. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys next time.